taking out student debt for degrees that doesn't have solid financial future. You have to make sure that you look at your degree that you're doing, what marketable degree. You don't just want to say, okay, my son is going to this school, or my daughter's going to this school, or I'm going to this school, or I went to this school, and then you're doing a degree in something that you're not going to make any money when you come out, or, you know, you're not looking at what your debt is. And, you know, my last few videos, we went through student loan and student debt and how you need to take that into account when you're choosing what you're going to be doing for your future. Buying property that's simply not what is too expensive for you. That's what you call those people house rich, but poor otherwise. So, you know, you want to make sure that these are all things that has to do with keeping up with the Joneses. You know, you're being socially influenced and pressured into doing these things that are real concerns for many people. So you want to make sure that, you know, the ones that often lead those extravagant life does not mean that, you know, they could keep up with those appearances. You know, those are just appearances. So it doesn't matter what things look like on the outside. You want to make sure that the inside is clean and you're comfortable with what you're doing and you're looking at your overall future. So the problem with that leads to, when you're trying to keep up with the Joneses are debt because they're overspending. They're not, you know, when this happens, it's harder and harder to achieve long-term goals, to invest for the future, to build wealth. You know, you want to get off that hamster wheel, and you want to make sure that you're looking at making financially sound decisions, and not worrying about what things look like on the outside. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, feel free to give me a follow to get updated on new and upcoming episodes, and listen in every Tuesday and Thursday, where I teach you smart money habits so you can make better money choices with a financial goal focus.